welcome back to the channel, folks. It is 4:35 a.m. I am on my way to Bor. It is a national tiger reserve near Nagpur. Never been there before. I am already on the highway. Should be a good road at least until Hyderabad. As soon as we cross into the Madhya Pradesh border, I did notice that the roads deteriorate a little. Not really sure what that's about. I know NHAI is supposed to be like this central national thing, but maybe it depends on funding from the state. I don't know. But yeah, as soon as we cross the border into Hyderabad, the roads get a little dicey, a little sketchy, but shouldn't be a problem. I took the Beamer out today. I went out to Nagpur a couple of years ago and I did notice the roads were off, so I didn't want to risk it on the CF. Alright, let's go. Just crossing Nizamabad. The sun is up and I just cleaned my helmet a little. Insects were all over the windshield and the lights and all of this, man. I must have ridden through a swarm of them. Cruise is on. Next stop would be Hyderabad, so onwards and upwards. Somebody going on the other side. Something happened. रास्ता है भाई? आगे रास्ता है?
आगे रास्ता मोटरसाइकिल आपकी निकल जाएगी साथ में।
ठीक है, थैंक यू। थैंक यू। I don't know what's up. I am assuming it's an accident. Not really sure. Shit, can I get through? गाड़ी निकल जाएगा भैया? Okay, not to be disrespectful or anything, guys, but I'm gonna try. Oh, this bike is too wide for this. Doesn't look like anybody's hurt. Somebody screwed up somewhere. It's okay. We are still inside the forest area. As you can see, this is beautiful. The road is beautiful. And it just rained, so it's all green. Looks so nice. Oh, fuel. Okay, we're down to 30-kilometer range. I just saw a board that said there is a HP bunk in 2 kilometers, so I'm not gonna take the risk. I'm gonna get some fuel. There it is. Okay. Thank you. Of nowhere, but it did feel like a cool place to probably stop and have a break. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is where I get off the highway onto this road. I don't know how this is gonna be, but I better stop and have a break before I go any further. So I'm gonna stop here, probably grab something to eat, hopefully some vada pav, and then get out. Almost there. 4 kilometers left to go. I think that's to the entry. So I'm gonna get there, see what the situation is. It's a tiger reserve, so obviously I'm not gonna ask if I can ride in. I didn't sleep last night, so let me see. Get there, see how much energy I have left, and then decide whether I'm heading back or trying to get some rest. Entry gate to the left at Wildlife Resort Safari Events. Okay. Wait, that's a river? Oh no, this is a river. Okay, that makes sense. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is the Boar River, guys. Obviously it dried up. Okay, these are dogs and those are goats. Okay, as long as you guys are not tigers, I am fine. Oh, look at that. This is such a nice road. So Boar Wildlife Resort Safari Events, swimming pool, restaurant, wedding. Go straight. Okay. There is no way I'm coming out in the night in this. Absolutely no way. Holy shit. Should I even go here? Is this a good idea or not? Dude, there's nobody else on this road. Just me and my stupid head taking me here. What do I do if I see a tiger? Just run. Ride as fast as I can. Hello, ma'am. It's not open. For the season, it's closed.
Yes.
Oh. Is there a resort? That ashram is there, no?
है ना? Yes.
उधर जा सकते हैं? Perfect. Thank you. इधर कुछ वाइल्ड लाइफ देखने को मिलेगा? वो रोड पे कहीं पे?
सर कल ही लेपर्ड दिखा, ब्लैक लेपर्ड था।
अयो
15 दिन पहले लेपर्ड था, वो ब्राउन कलर का।
हाँ। back near the outskirts of the city now. It has been raining all day. I was supposed to start at 4 a.m. back from Bor, but it didn't stop raining, man. I was hoping it at least ease up a bit so I can start, but nope. The rain had other plans. So I waited until like 9:30 and decided, I have the gear anyway, so let's just go. So I decided it was an absolute pointless waste of time just waiting for the rain to go up. I have to get to work tonight. So I had the gear already, and as you guys know, I hate putting the gear on so much, but I had to. So I did that, and then I started, and it hasn't let up until probably 40 minutes ago. Near Nizamabad, I even went through what I feel is a cloud burst. If that is not a cloud burst, I don't know what is. I don't know if I was able to capture any of it because I couldn't keep the camera out for long. But yeah, I got completely drenched, man. Thankfully, I have the gear, so my insides are drier, not completely dry, drier. So it's okay. So almost home. I have another 25 kilometers left. I will get up this highway shortly. Kudos to the Maharashtra government though. The roads are absolutely amazing. Oh, fight. No. The last 75 kilometers of the journey were off the highway, and I was expecting them to be bad, but they were really nice. The road was nice, the route was amazing. You probably saw some of the clips from earlier. So it tried to take me onto the ORR because the Android Auto does not have a bike mode. So it only selects the car route by default. So on the map, if you select bike mode, nothing happens. It gives you an error saying navigation not available or something. So you have to select car, but what happens then is you have to be very careful where you're going. Now, because I know the ORR is off limits for two-wheelers, I was able to get off here. But if I didn't, I would have ended up at the entry gate for the ORR and had to turn back. Slightly embarrassing, not too bad, but yeah, just have to be a little careful. Alright, I don't need navigation anymore. Go back. So there you go, guys, almost home. Bor Tiger Reserve. Yeah, it was closed. I knew it was gonna be closed because usually these national forests are closed in the rainy season when it's raining, but I didn't really matter. The ashram that I stayed at was amazing. So if any of you guys are planning to go to that area, look for the Bor Wildlife Ashram. If you are afraid of insects, I don't really know what to say, because this is a place in the middle of a forest, so there's gonna be some insects there. But if not, beautiful place to check out. Thank you so much for joining along for the journey. Let me know in the comments what you think and where I should go next. Anyways, until next time, guys, see you around. Ride safe.